Have you heard of ozone? It is one of the most powerful natural sanitizers known to man. In order to provide you and your family with the safest, cleanest laundry, this facility is infusing ozone into every washer with every rinse. What is ozone? Have you ever noticed that fresh air smell after a lightning storm? The tremendous energy from lightning splits oxygen molecules apart in the atmosphere. When 3 oxygen atoms are bonded together, ozone is born. Ozone instantly destroys germs and odors, leaving behind nothing but the fresh smell of oxygen. That freshness you smell after a lightning storm is ozone cleansing the air. What are the benefits of ozone to clean laundry? Ozone kills germs in your laundry. In fact, ozone kills bacteria up to 3,200 times faster and stronger than chlorine bleach. Ozone is also a natural deodorizer. It doesn't just mask odors, it destroys them, leaving your laundry smelling clothesline fresh. Ozone relaxes and opens the weaves of laundry, allowing for a deeper clean and softer, more comfortable laundry that dries faster. With ozone, many guests discover they no longer need bleach and fabric softener. Ozone is much gentler on your laundry than harsh chemicals. Ozone works best in cold water and therefore helps your laundry last longer. Ozone sanitizes the laundry and the washer, so it is sterile for each guest. Who else uses ozone? Hospitals and medical facilities use ozone to kill bacteria and viruses such as HIV, hepatitis, COVID-19, C. diff, MRSA, and more. The Center for Disease Control has adopted ozone as an alternative way to wash bacteria-laden linen instead of using scalding hot water and toxic bleach. Fire departments use ozone to remove smoke smell and cancer-causing agents from their gear. The bottled water industry uses ozone to purify drinking water. Produce suppliers use ozone to keep fruits and vegetables safer longer. Using state-of-the-art technology, the same ozone that purifies our drinking water, keeps our food safe, and our air clean is being infused into the water that goes through each washer at this facility. To get more ozone with each wash, we recommend pushing the ozone rinse button on each washer for 1 additional rinse of ozone. For even more ozone, we recommend that you simply turn the washer dial to ozone. Selecting this cycle will provide an extended ozone bath, as well as add 3 extra high-level ozone rinses for extra ozone sanitizing action. Thank you for choosing to do your laundry here. We hope you enjoy the benefits of the ozone laundry system and know that you are taking home the cleanest, softest, and most disinfected laundry available in this area.